Welcome, greetings. I'm not Magnet. Do not scroll. Folks, just found out that Mr. Trump and the Republican Party have, recently decided to take away our free phone privileges and now making us pay for the future services of $69 or higher for phone service in the next couple of months. But for some reason, I'm being targeted next month. So if you don't pay if I don't pay $79 in the first week of November 2025, my phone service will be shut down. And then I can only use the cell phone to make 911 calls. First, you raise our grocery costs by 60%. Next, you raise our general merchandise by another 50% in terms of cost. Next, you take away or you cut our benefits on Medicare or Medicaid. Now in the next couple of months, you're going to take away our free phone and our free phone services, meaning we'll have to pay for it. Oh my God, what's next? I will leave you with that thought. So have a nice day and goodbye and take care.